my name is Radu Vedesh and welcome to my channel. Today I will review the Proxxon 24620 end mill set. Let's see what the package contains. The package has 4 end mills. They have a tip diameter of 6, 7, 8 and 10 millimeters. The 6 millimeter end mill has a shank of 6 millimeters, while the rest have a shank of 10 millimeters. All of them are made from high-speed steel and have 4 flutes. They can cut steel, non-ferrous metals, wood and plastic. Because 2 of the 4 flutes intersect each other, you can cut on the very center of the end mill. You can plunge with them. However, I recommend you using a 2-flute end mill for better chip control. The fit and finish on these cutters is very good and I recommend you spending the money on them. If you want to see more Proxxon reviews, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!